Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we'll show you how to use our proxies with Tun2Tap. First, navigate to your dashboard, choose your plan, adjust its settings, and then copy your proxy. Open the Tun2Tap app, make sure the protocol is set to HTTP, paste the full proxy in the host port field, and then copy your username and password. Paste each into its respective field after enabling the authentication option. Finally, connect and test the proxy using one of the IP testing websites. And that's it. Thanks for watching.